I'm Laysim. I'm currently working on local 5G and system development in one of company in Japan. For the life in Japan in almost 2 months, I think like it's more difficult for me that I should be more stronger. I live alone, and if we look into the work culture here, I can adapt a lot. In my university program, they provide me the internship that I can learn from their the soft skill, the hard skill, and the leadership that can make me more easily to adapt in work culture in Japan. Lastly, I have a short message to everyone and my beloved junior. Life is not always beautiful. Step it out and try to catch up your sunshine days. Bye bye. Have a nice day.